Assalamu alaikum, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Conscious Body. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, that's not me? You're tired, frustrated, and done with diets that lie, plans that fail, and results that vanish. Well, stay with me, because for the next few hours, I'm taking you on a complete journey that will change your body, your mind, and your life forever. This isn't a crash diet. This isn't some magic pill. This is science-backed. Real talk, full transformation. And the best part? You don't have to starve. You don't have to suffer. Just follow this plan step by step and watch the magic happen. Are you ready to become the version of you that you know you were born to be? Let's go. Before we talk food, we talk mindset. Why? Because your plate follows your thoughts. What is your why? The power of small habits. James Clear's Atomic Habits. Style approach. Busting myths. I have a slow metabolism. I can't stop snacking. I have bad genes. Simple journaling prompts, e.g., why do I eat when I'm not hungry? Fail-proof your environment. Remove temptations. Create rituals. Prepare mentally. Comment below your why, your real reason. I'll be reading every single one and replying. Now I'll share the easiest diet you'll ever follow. That actually works, but in 3 phases. Phase 1, reset. Week 1, 2, reduce sugar. Eliminate ultra-processed food. Hydrate like crazy, 3-4 L per day. Introduce light meals, soups, salads, smoothies. Phase 2, fat burn. Week 3 to 6, balanced macros, 40% protein, 35% fat, 25% carbs. Intermittent fasting, 16.8 or 14.10. Superfoods, chia, flax, eggs, spinach, berries. Thermogenic foods, green tea, chili, apple cider vinegar. Phase 3, sustain, week 7 to 12. Reintroduce smart carbs, sweet potato, quinoa, oats. Strategic cheat meals. Meal timing and consistency goal. Lifestyle, not diet. Let's start the amazing diet plan that helps you to transform your body. Breakfasts. High-protein smoothies, eggs plus avocado, Greek yogurt bowls. Lunches. Quinoa salad with grilled chicken, veggie stir-fry plus tofu, fish tacos, low-carb wrap. Dinners. Zucchini pasta, grilled salmon plus asparagus, 1 pot, healthy stew. Snacks. Almonds, dark chocolate, 85%, rice cakes plus peanut butter. Screenshot these meal plans. What's one meal you're excited to try tomorrow? Drop it in the comments. Now, I'll discuss the science behind fat loss, how metabolism works, hormones that matter, insulin, cortisol, leptin, ghrelin, gut health and weight loss, probiotics, fiber, fermented foods, calories versus quality, how sleep impacts your weight. The power of NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This is the part 99% of diet videos skip, but it's the real reason most diets fail. Now I'll discuss the exercise that complements the diet. Body weight home workout, 20-30 min, walking for fat loss. Underrated but powerful. Hit for busy people. Stretching plus recovery days. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't need a gym. You need consistency. You're not too far gone. You're one choice away from a completely different life. These are the tools that makes your journey easier and healthier. PDF meal planner calorie tracker guide, MyFitnessPal tutorial, weight loss goal tracker template. Download everything below. No sign up, no paywall. This is your time. You just spent hours investing in yourself, and that tells me you're serious. This plan is here. The results are waiting. All that's left is you showing up for you, like if you're committed. Comment your day 1 weight and come back every week to track it. Subscribe if you're ready to transform.